Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm cooking a creamy garlic beef bites. So for the recipe, I'm going to need about 900 grams of ram steak, and I'm serving this with mashed potato. And this was quite an easy dinner to make, and the kids loved it. So I'm going to show you how I made this creamy garlic beef bites with a nice creamy sauce with garlic flavors. Alright, so I'm going to need about 900 grams of rump steak. I'm removing some of the white bits just over the end there, and I'm cutting the beef into small cubes. So just whatever the size you like, but I'm cutting it into small bite-sized cubes. So just cutting the whole beef, your desired size. So now I'm going to put the beef in a large bowl, adding salt, about a teaspoon of salt, adding black pepper, a teaspoon of black pepper, and then I'm adding some garlic powder, and then paprika, about a teaspoon of paprika, olive oil, just for to help with the marinating. I'm just going to set aside for a few minutes while I'm getting the pan ready, and to make sure the pan is nice and hot. Oil in a large pan, make sure it's nice and hot, and then I'm going to add my beef. Just make sure not to overcrowd the pan. So just separate the beef bites. Make sure they are not overcrowded, otherwise they'll make a stew. So the trick is not overcrowding the pan. Just cook while they're nice and separated, not make a stew. Just like that. Now I'm going to cook the beef bites for about 4 minutes to 5 minutes each side. I'm just looking for a golden color. Make sure they are nice and cooked. Now that they are cooked, I'm going to set them aside, and in the same pan I'm going to add the remainder of my beef bites. Just as a reminder, guys, I'm using ram steak, and then I'm just gonna add the next batch of the beef, just making sure I'm not overcrowding the pan. So cook again for about 4 to 5 minutes, and then cook another side. I'm going to put in a make some mashed potato, just mashing the potatoes, and I'm adding 2 tablespoons of butter, and then I'm adding some thickened cream and milk just to make the creamy mashed potato. You can make the mashed potato however you like it, but I'm just making a quick mashed potato. And then my beef is ready. I'm setting it aside. Then I'm making the sauce. For the sauce, I'm just adding garlic into the same pan. Lots of garlic. I've used about 10 cloves of garlic. So just use lots of garlic, fresh garlic. Make sure the garlic is cooked for a good 1 to 2 minutes. Now I'm adding thickened cream. Just slowly adding the thickened cream to a nice consistent, and yeah, adding thickened cream. Now I'm just gonna add the beef bites and coat them into the creamy garlic sauce. There you have it, guys, creamy garlic beef bites. Just now simmering for few minutes, just about a minute or so. And then I've got some garlic chives that I have from the garden, which I'm going to use as a garnish. And our dinner is ready. It's so easy, and this was delicious. Let me know if you can try this recipe, and it was so good and delicious. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you can. Thank you. Bye.